Hello everyone, welcome back to Train, where we make AI simple for you. In this video, we're exploring one of the most exciting advancements in AI video, VO3 from Google DeepMind, and how it can completely transform marketing. So what is VO3? Released in May 2025, VO3 is Google's most advanced text-to-video AI model. It can generate 1080p video clips with synchronized audio, ambient sounds, dialogue, and cinematic camera movement, all from just a simple text prompt. You could type something like, a drone flyover of sunset vineyards with soft acoustic guitar, and VO delivers a polished, cinematic video clip ready to use in your campaign. It's visually stunning, producing footage that would take a professional team days or even weeks to create. Let's talk about why VO3 matters so much to marketers. First, it drastically cuts production costs and timelines. No cameras, no studios, no editing software, just your ideas translated into video in seconds. That means smaller teams and solo creators now have access to enterprise-level production capabilities. Second, it gives you full creative flexibility. You can design scenes in a variety of visual styles, cinematic, documentary, animated, or even surreal, depending on your campaign goals. You're no longer limited by budget, crew availability, or location logistics. But here's where it gets really interesting. VO3 enables personalization at scale. Instead of creating a single hero ad, you can generate dozens of video variants for different audiences, platforms, or regions, each tailored to match tone, language, and cultural cues. It even opens the door for large-scale A/B testing, where you're not just tweaking a headline, you're comparing it to entire video narratives. That kind of marketing agility was nearly impossible until now. Of course, VO3 is still evolving. Multi-scene narratives and long-form edits are a bit glitchy right now, and like any generative model, it raises important questions around ethics, authenticity, and misinformation. So marketers will need to use it responsibly, especially when creating hyper-realistic visuals. Still, VO3 isn't just another AI tool, it's a creative revolution. It changes how we produce, test, and personalize visual content. It gives you the ability to move from idea to video at the speed of thought. Whether you're launching a product, running a campaign, or building a brand from scratch, this is a tool that can elevate your entire strategy. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.